Oh dear, it's a tough life. Sorry I've been away for quite a while. I've had quite a lot on lately. Oh no. Is it a tough life for you as well? Yeah? Can you talk to the camera for me? Lily? No, she's just going to be moody about it. So yeah, I've been quite busy lately. I've had university deadlines, I've been getting my dissertation done, and I've been working on the stuff at the same time. I just got myself a new job as well, which is working, yeah, kind of awkward hours at the moment. So I've not really been able to work as much as I'd like to. But yeah, I'm really enjoying it so far. And as you might have known if you saw my my post on my Minecraft video, let me just sit down here. Oh. We went away to Norway for 2 weeks. Me, my mum, my brother, and my girlfriend Charlotte, who also has a vlog up on her channel at the moment. So link down below if you want to go and look at that. There's a particularly funny story in there that I won't mention, just in case I ruin it for you. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed.
Look at my eyes.
Never actually showed our room at all.
Well, not much to show at the moment.
No,
it's a bit of a mess.
That's pretty much it. It's a really huge bed. And
I think this is appropriate.
now there's a hat, which I'm not entirely sure about. But it's a wheel. I'm going to put you through the wheel. Through the wheel we go. Alright, where the other wheel?
Is it a wheel or is it a pole?
Charlotte, put your head other side. Hello.
Do it!
Bloody long walk.
I
And some crazy people are running up it and down it and
know. It is.
fucking mental, aren't they? There's no way I'm trying that anytime soon. So we trolled up this hill to see a Viking ship. It's a tad smaller than we anticipated.
It wasn't that big.
Nick said they were Nick said they were smaller. They were smaller, but I'm not entirely sure they were this small.
I don't know what anybody is.
Patrolling the halls, isn't he?
He doesn't want to sit down.
Patrolling like a gamekeeper.
Because if he sits down, he'll back up again.
It's true, he'll just stay there forever.
Which I might do.
These are ridiculously comfortable.
We don't need these.
They're just too comfy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you did like the video, please leave a like and a comment. It really does help me out. And especially subscribe to the channel. I got some really lovely messages from some of you guys while I was away, encouraging me and just saying that you really like the stuff I was doing. So please do subscribe to show your support for the channel as well, and share with all your friends. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you soon.